Welcome to the installation video for the Walnut Blind Corner 2-tier optimizer. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 12/64 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, rubber mallet, an awl, tape measure, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: drawers long, drawers short, frame, U-shaped upright, bloom slides, triggers, L-bracket long, L-bracket short, base track, door brackets, slide supports, connecting bar, slide stabilizers, plastic curve, side track, boomerang, drawer brackets, extension brackets, plastic feet, and a plastic stop. You will also find the following screws: 6.3 by 13 mm, 6.3 by 24 mm, 6.3 by 30 mm, 4 by 16 mm, 4 by 12 mm, 4 by 25 mm, 4 by 16 mm, M5 by 6 mm, M5 by 10 mm, and M5 by 12 mm. Also included is a plastic grid with pieces that we will designate for this video as A through G. First, place the bottom template on the cabinet floor and line up the arrows to the front edge and side wall of the cabinet. Place the side template against the side wall and line up the arrows. Tape in place. Use your awl and mallet to mark all of the target hole locations. Pre-drill the hole locations. Place the plastic stop over the designated holes from the template and secure to the cabinet floor. Measure the width of your blind corner cabinet. Place the short L bracket on top of the longer L bracket and loosely secure the screws. Extend the brackets to the width of your cabinet and fully secure the screws. Attach the bracket to both sides of the cabinet. Place the base track over the back holes and secure to the floor. Next, insert the slide supports into the upper and lower slots of the U-shaped upright. Rest the bloom slide along the support and secure with the assist of the bracket stabilizer. Repeat with the remaining bloom slides. Place the slide assembly along the base track. Set the plastic feet along the space cut out within the base track and secure. Next, position the side track over the 3 pre-drilled holes along the side wall and secure. Remove piece A from the plastic grid and insert the plastic pegs into the designated holes in the cabinet floor. Secure the plastic curve in a similar manner. Place piece C against the front corner of the cabinet and secure. Connect the frame to the side track and anchor to the bottom. Use your mallet to secure piece B over the corner of the frame. Place piece E on top of B and secure with the proper screw. Insert piece D into the back side of the frame and twist. Place the boomerang up through the bottom wheel of the frame and align over piece A. Place piece F on top and secure. Insert piece G1 and G2 into the slots in the boomerang and the U-shaped upright. Link with the connecting bar. Loosely screw in the center screw into the door bracket. Do not fully tighten. Place the extension brackets under the door bracket and secure. Repeat with the other door bracket. Insert the loose screws from the door brackets into the slots on the frame. Ensure the short side of the door brackets are closest to the open side wall. Level the brackets. Measure from the center of the hole to the edge of the cabinet. Measure from the center of the hole to the bottom of the cabinet. Now measure the distance between the center holes of the top and bottom bracket, as well as the distance from each hole on opposite ends of the bracket. Next, transfer those dimensions to the back of the door. Pre-drill the holes in the cabinet door. Once you have your measurements, you can remove the door brackets from the frame and attach to the cabinet door. Place the door back on the frame. Tightly secure the loose screws in the door brackets. The door can be adjusted in 3 separate ways: up and down, side to side and/or rotation, and tilt forward and back. Flip the long drawer box over. Place the orange triggers flush against the front corners and align with the pre-drilled holes in the drawer. Secure using the screw pack that comes with the triggers. Repeat with the other drawer. Place the drawer brackets over the pre-drilled holes in the small drawer box and secure. Place the long drawer box over the bloom slides and push until the slides engage with the triggers below. You should hear a click. Hang the metal cylinders of the small drawer onto the hooks of the frame. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.